Imagine a world in which machines can learn from their errors, adjust to novel circumstances, and even surpass human specialists. The CEO of NVIDIA sees a time when multi-shot agentic AIs with superhuman thinking abilities will be more competitive in the labor market than people. This is not science fiction. Rather, multi-shot AIs are a fact, and it's about to change the game for everyone. In the future, companies will embrace agentic AI systems with reasoning capabilities as employees, according to Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA. In contrast to current models, Huang asserts that future AI models will be multi-shot and able to handle difficult jobs. These kinds of circumstances keep igniting discussions and raising concerns about the rapid advancement and use of AI, as well as its possible long-term repercussions on job security. With the rapid advancement of AI, a lot of individuals are worried about their job security. Contrary to common belief, AI is producing jobs, according to Microsoft's most recent work trend report. Executives, meanwhile, have openly stated that they are hesitant to hire candidates who lack AI aptitude. This has resulted in a 142x increase in LinkedIn members, adding AI skills like ChatGPT and Copilot to their profiles. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, has some insightful remarks and opinions on this particular subject. First, given the widespread use of AI, the CEO suggested that coding might be obsolete as a professional path. He went on to say that since coding will soon become outdated, the next generation would be better suited to looking into alternate careers in biology, education, industry, or agriculture. Huang believes the next generation of artificial intelligence is about to arrive, leading the way in humanoid robots and self-driving cars. He calls the concepts and algorithms used in AI today one-shot. To put things in perspective, here is what happens when you ask a chatbot to do something, and it responds with text. It's interesting to note that Huang sees more advanced AI models in the future. AI will be multi-shot, he continued. AI will be multi-shot in the future. It will be a reasoning-based system that will plan some things on its own, just like we plan through different complex scenarios. You will, therefore, have quick-witted AIs similar to what we have now. AIs with multiple steps of reasoning will eventually be developed. AIs of this kind will progressively develop agentic behavior. How do agentic AIs work? Agentic AIs will use tools and collaborate with other AIs that have special access to information, as NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang succinctly explains the future phenomena. According to Huang, AI will eventually function similarly to employees in a company. He goes on to say that these AIs will function as generalist AIs, specialized AIs, and consulting AIs in conjunction with other systems from different businesses. As anticipated, AI keeps taking jobs away from humans. A different study suggested that 54% of banking positions might be mechanized, making workers in those industries obsolete. But AI isn't flawless either, as we are gradually discovering. In an attempt to save expenses, several magazines that had previously replaced reporters with AI systems are now rehiring writers, albeit at a lower salary, to correct errors made by the AI. Mira Murati, CTO of OpenAI, recently spoke on how AI is changing the labor sector. Murati acknowledged that technology is automating tedious and redundant work and taking jobs away from people. Certain creative jobs might disappear. However, Murati continued, if the content that comes out of it is not very high quality, maybe they shouldn't have been there in the first place. Upskilling appears to be a well-liked strategy for making sure you keep your position and stay relevant in a company. With the ability to create intricate and advanced structural designs using Image Creator from Designer and ChatGPT, architects and interior designers may be among the first professions to be affected by AI. Still, the tools are ineffective for basic tasks such as producing a black and white image, navigating the unknown. Successive questions regarding the application of existing technologies and their potential legal, societal, and economic ramifications arise with each successive iteration. It's yet unclear how much of an impact these changes will have. While some, like the World Economic Forum, believe that artificial intelligence would eliminate jobs, others, like Forbes, believe that jobs could be reimagined using AI as a supplementary tool rather than a whole replacement. As we adapt, AI is predicted to produce 97 million new employment, possibly reinventing current positions with AI components. Upgrading your capabilities. Some abilities are seen to be future-proof against artificial intelligence. These consist of complex reasoning, creativity, problem-solving, and deep thinking, building relationships and fostering interpersonal communication. According to LinkedIn, several aptitudes are exclusive to humans that AI cannot replicate, including emotional intelligence, intuition, and judgment. AI is unsuited for jobs requiring human empathy and adaptability, since it lacks these attributes as well. To remain current and flexible in the rapidly changing technology scene, Financial Management magazine highlights the significance of ongoing professional development. It will be simpler to change course and seize new opportunities, including AI technologies, when they present themselves with this proactive approach. Gaining familiarity with AI technologies and comprehending how AI is applied in your industry are also essential components of future-proofing your abilities. AI won't replace you at work. Someone who uses AI will do it. AI as a powerful partner. While some people have valid concerns regarding AI, many also see its potential advantages for workers. Forbes highlights how it may reduce employee fatigue, a significant issue in today's workplace. A little over 68% of workers claimed they were overworked and lacked time for focused work. In addition, 70% of respondents stated that they would prefer to delegate tasks to AI to lighten their workload. As AI's capabilities become more widely recognized, its application in business is growing, especially in marketing and sales. AI is radically changing the way we do marketing. It's helpful for content creation, personalization, graphic design, sales and marketing forecasting, and customer support. But it emphasizes that you should view AI as a co-pilot or ally to maximize the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. It isn't meant to replace all of your marketing initiatives. Effective marketing requires a personal touch, individuality, inventiveness, feeling, and a solid understanding of people's emotional relationships. According to Forbes, having an open mind to new technology can enable managers to improve the working environment by removing menial chores and allowing staff members to concentrate on higher level and creative work. Individuals and companies can embrace the future of work and navigate the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead by realizing the potential of AI and remaining flexible. Understanding AI's role in job displacement. Let's be honest. It's a little frightening to consider that artificial intelligence, AI, might replace us in our work. Here's the twist, though. While AI may cause the loss of 85 million jobs by 2025, another analysis delivers a knockout blow, predicting the creation of 97 million new jobs. Maneuvering through this revelation is like riding a wild emotional wave. While many of us envision algorithms and robots squeezing into the workplace, things are not entirely bleak. These technological marvels are less about applying the job break and more about changing gears. Our work life is changing as a result of these breakthroughs, which are gradually directing us towards jobs that call for our particular human abilities: ingenuity, empathy, and strategic thinking. The future of human roles in the face of growing automation. Automation creates novel job opportunities that need creative problem-solving, empathy, or inventive thinking, qualities that machines haven't yet mastered. Promising careers include those in AI development, or positions managing these technologies. Folks, the future is bright. The role of generative AI in boosting economic growth in developing economies. Let's have a serious conversation. Generative artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming emerging economies and playing a major role in driving economic growth. It's no longer just fancy speak. Instead, it's become a key tool for spurring economic growth in underdeveloped areas. Consider generative AI as your go-to friend when you want to give your projects a little extra help. We are on the verge of a profound shift in the labor market, people. Not only will job markets change, but productivity levels will probably rise to previously unheard of levels as a result of technological advancements like those made possible by use cases involving machine learning algorithms that are specifically designed to increase efficiency across a range of operations processes. Therefore, it appears that the future is bright when it comes to the possible effects of widespread integration throughout global society. Ensuring that everyone has access to possibilities for advancement, regardless of starting point, is the straightforward yet enormous task at hand. The future of work essentially demands that we continue to learn to avoid falling behind. And what about having AI as a sidekick? Setting off on this adventure with AI at our side turns the daunting into an exciting adventure in learning. How do we make sure that everyone gains equally from AI and that no one is left behind? How will humans work and live if machines can do more and more things that were previously thought to be exclusive to humans? In a world where a large number of traditional jobs are automated, how can we find happiness and meaning in life? What part should governments play in controlling the creation and application of AI, especially in light of the potential effects on jobs? Kindly hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.